It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty.
Republic Act Number 11235 or Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act. Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act is an act preventing and penalizing the use of motorcycle in the commission of crimes. Registration by the owner. The owner of motorcycle shall register his or her motorcycle with the LTO within 5 days from such accusation of ownership. The owner of the motorcycle shall also immediately report any sales or disposition of his or her motorcycle to the LTO. Bigger, readable, and color-coded number plates. The LTO shall issue a set of bigger, readable, and color-coded number plate for every motorcycle, which shall consist of a metal number plate to be installed at the rear of the motorcycle and decals number plate or RFID to be displayed at the front. Motorcycle plate must be readable from the distance of at least 15 meters. All motorcycles shall have a rear plate light. Regions color stripe placement from top to bottom. Sample plates. Violation and penalty. Violation: failure of the owner to report the sale to LTO within 5 days. Penalty: fine of 20,000 to 50,000 or arresto mayor 1 month and 1 day to 6 months to prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years or both. Violation: driving without a number plate or a readable number plate. Penalty: fine of 50,000 to 100,000 or prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years or both. Violation: any law enforcer who shall fail to surrender to proper authorities a seized motorcycle within 24 hours. Penalty: prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Violation: if a motorcycle is used in commission of a crime constituting a grave felony under the revised penal code, owner, driver, and back rider. Penalty: reclusion temporal 12 years and 1 day to 20 years to reclusion perpetua, imprisonment for at least 30 years. Violation: if a motorcycle is used in the commission of a crime constituting a less grave felony or light felony, example, slight physical injuries, theft, alteration of boundary marks under the revised penal code. Penalty: prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years to prison mayor 6 years and 1 day to 20 years. Violation: if a seized motorcycle is used in the commission of a crime. Penalty: maximum penalty of the relevant crime or offense. Violation: if death or serious physical injuries, unlawful use of motorcycle. Penalty: reclusion perpetua, imprisonment for at least 30 years. Violation: failure of the owner to report a lost, damaged, or stolen motorcycle plate and apply for replacement. Penalty: fine of 20,000 to 50,000. Violation: failure to report the lost, damaged, or stolen number plate or readable number plate and use in a crime. Penalty: arresto mayor 1 month and 1 day to 6 months to prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Violation: erasing, tampering, altering, forging, imitating, covering, concealing a number plate or readable number plate. Penalty: fine of 50,000 to 100,000 or prison mayor 6 years and 1 day to 20 years or both. Violation: knowingly sells or buy an erased, tampered, altered, forged, or imitated number plate or readable number plate. Unknowingly sell or buys. Penalty: prison mayor 6 years and 1 day to 20 years, arresto mayor 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Violation: use of a stolen or transfer of a number plate or readable number plate in a motorcycle. Penalty: fine of 50,000 to 100,000 or prison mayor 6 years and 1 day to 20 years or both. Take note: demerit points depending on the extent of violation and adjudication proceedings. Impoundment and forfeiture of a motorcycle. A motorcycle used in a commission of a crime or offenses shall be impounded by the PNP during the pendency of litigation over in a secured impounding center provided by the LGU until the termination of the case. Such motorcycle shall then be forfeited in the favor of the government unless the court finds that the defendant is not guilty of the offense charged or such motorcycles belongs to the innocent third party. Prohibition on sale and importation of non-compliant motorcycles. No person, natural or juridical, shall be allowed to sell motorcycles unless the same has the capability to bear and showcase a readable number plate. Owners of existing motorcycle units which do not have space for front plate are required to provide a bracket or any other provision where the same shall be installed. Other motorcycle regulations. Number 1. A top box is a storage compartment fitted behind the seat of motorcycle or scooter and is considered a motorcycle accessory. A top box that is specifically designed for motorcycles and scooters and approved by DTI may not be subject for inspection, registration, or apprehension provided that it is conforms to the following. Letter A. Securely attached to the motorcycle. Letter B. Maximum capacity of 2 full-face helmets. Example. Number 2, custom-made top boxes. Example, fast food delivery boxes. Must conform to the following and are subject to inspection and registration. Letter A, securely attached to the motorcycle. Letter B, dimension must not exceed 2 feet in length by 2 feet in height. Letter C, must not impede or obstruct the view of the rider of the road from the side mirrors. Unregistered custom-made top boxes are subject to apprehension with a penalty of 5,000 pursuant to DOTC Joint Administrative Order 2014-01 Section 2-D, motor vehicle operating without or with defective, improper, unauthorized accessories, device, equipment, and parts. Example. Number 3, saddlebags or boxes are storage compartments and are considered motorcycle accessories. Saddlebags that are specifically designed for motorcycles and scooters and approved by DTI may not be subject for inspection, registration, or apprehension provided that it conforms to the following. Letter A, securely attached to the motorcycle. Letter B, saddlebags must not be higher than the seat of the motorcycle or scooter. Example. Number 4, custom-made saddlebags or boxes must conform to the following and are subject to inspection and registration. Letter A, securely attached to the motorcycle. Letter B, saddlebags must not be higher than the seat of the motorcycle or scooter. Letter C, shall not exceed 14 inches from the sides. Letter D, length must not exceed the tail end of the motorcycle or scooter. Unregistered custom-made saddlebags or boxes are subject to apprehension with a penalty of 5,000 pesos pursuant to DOTC Joint Administrative Order 2014-01, Section 2-D, motor vehicle operating without or with defective, improper, unauthorized accessories, devices, equipment, and parts. Example: auxiliary headlamps LED. Auxiliary headlamps LED. Number 1, separate switch. Number 2, light must be pointed rightward. Number 3, white or yellowish white light. Number 4, no vibration. Number 5, not to be used when driving on well-lighted street or when approaching oncoming vehicles. Number 6, up to 2 lamps only. Number 7, up to 2 6 bulbs per lamp only. Number 8, light must be directed 20 centimeters downward at 10 meters forward. Number 9, lamp must not be higher than handlebar. Number 10, must not be used in lieu of headlamp. End.